Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I'm Manar from Morocco, and in today's video I'll be reacting to one of your most suggested videos, 3 days standoff, Pakistan, India, 26 February 2020, ISPR official video. So let's start the video.
February 2019, a day when an incident at Pulwama triggered a sequence of events in the region. A young Kashmiri freedom fighter blew himself against a bus carrying Indian Central Reserve Police Force soldiers, killing over 40 of them. India immediately accused Pakistan for the incident, while the Prime Minister of Pakistan offered,
अगर आपके पास कोई एक्शनेबल इंटेलिजेंस है कि पाकिस्तान इन्वॉल्व है, वो हमें दे कि हम एक्शन लेंगे.
India, despite offers from Pakistan, in the wee hours of February 26th, approached Pakistan airspace from 3 corridors: Sialkot, Bahawalpur and Kashmir. In the Kashmir sector, 4 Indian aircrafts entered 4 to 5 nautical miles inside Pakistan airspace. However, upon effective challenging, aircrafts dropped their payload, which fell in free flight in the open area of the Jabba forest reserves. India initially claimed targeting of a Jaish madrasa and the killing of over 300 militants in the compound.
It will be premature to say that what is the number of casualties we have been able to inflict.
India kept changing claims, which eroded the veracity with international community. Later, both Pakistani and international media visited the impact site, which negated Indian claims. Pakistan responded. PAF, while staying within Pakistani airspace, locked 4 Indian military targets. The Indian Air Force, having known of the Pakistan counter-strikes, once again tried to enter Pakistani airspace in the Kashmir sector. Pakistan Air Force was fully alert to take on the intruding aircraft. Pakistan Air Force shot down 2 Indian jets. The wreckage of one fell just across the line of control inside Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and one aircraft, a MiG-21, fell inside Pakistan territory at Peer Gully. The pilot ejected and was immediately got hold of by angered local civilians.
मेरा नाम विंग कमांडर अभिनंदन है. मैं भारतीय वायुसेना में एक लड़ाकू विमान चालक हूँ. मैं टारगेट ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा था. आपके एयरफोर्स ने मुझे गिराया. पाकिस्तानी आर्मी के 2 जवान आए एंड उन्होंने मुझे बचाया वहां से. पाकिस्तानी आर्मी जो है वो बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल सर्विस है.
India claimed shooting down of a Pakistani F-16. This remained a false claim, as India could not provide any evidence.
Images put out, this is the wreckage of the Pakistani F-16, and how the Indian Air Force knows this is an F-16 is because if you see this part, and Abhijit can explain it to us.
So I don't think that's entirely accurate. That part is actually a MiG-21 part.
हम as a peace gesture, हम उसको कल रिहा करने लगे हैं हिंदुस्तान को वापस.
However, Indian political leadership and media continued with their war hysteria.
हमारे साथ मौजूद आर्मी के 5 जनरल बताएंगे क्या है उनका वॉर प्लान. And like you, I also want Pakistan punished.
An Indian submarine was spotted by the Pakistan Navy. Pakistan Navy showed restraint despite having the capability to engage. The situation thereafter remained relatively calm without any official de-escalation. South Asia once again narrowly escaped a major catastrophe. Pakistan feels that the current regional stability matrix remains disturbed due to the presence of a belligerent regime which is hostage to the concept of Hindutva, Indian offensive orientation, which seriously impacts upon regional stability.
What is the world community going to do? Is it going to appease a market of 1.2 billion, or is it going to stand up for justice and humanity? If a conventional war starts, and anything could happen, but supposing a country 7 times smaller than its neighbor is faced with the choice, either you surrender or you fight for your freedom till death, what will we do? I ask myself this question. And my belief is, La ilaha illallah, there is no God but one. And we will fight. And when a nuclear armed country fights to the end, it will have consequences far beyond the borders.
In a nutshell, the peace and stability of South Asia remains contingent upon the resolution of the long-pending core issue of Kashmir.
I just hope, and everyone hope, that the issue of Kashmir gets solved very soon and with less damage. Pakistan is still trying to just get it solved with less damage, peacefully, with the intervention of the United Nations and I don't know what. I hope that they will do something. Otherwise, we don't want a war there, but obviously if Pakistan will be pushed to that end, so there will be a war. But Pakistan is still trying to get things solved on a peaceful way without any damage. And Mr. Imran Khan and Pakistani army have always shown a good image of peace promotion. And even in Abhinandan's case, I suppose if we try to reverse the case, if it was a Pakistani army stuck in India, so I don't think that he could get back to Pakistan even. But माशाल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पाकिस्तानी आर्मी ने बहुत इज़्ज़त से उसको रखा है और इज़्ज़त के साथ उसको वापस अपने मुल्क भी भेज दिया. इसलिए नहीं कि वो डरते हैं इंडिया से, लेकिन इसलिए कि वो प्रोफेशनल हैं. और ये इंडियन आर्मी ऑफिसर ख़ुद अपने मुंह से कह रहा है कि वो पाकिस्तानी आर्मी इज़ वेरी प्रोफेशनल. Yes, it is. Pakistani army is always doing good and noble acts, but India is always accusing Pakistan पे इल्ज़ाम लगाते रहते हैं without any evidence, and that only shows that Indian politicians and Indian media are not professional enough, and unfortunately they are given a bad image about themselves. Nobody is given them that bad image but themselves. The whole world has been talking about them, about their unprofessionalism, and in so many videos they were like making fun of them. That's very sad. Hopefully that there will be an intervention, that things will be sorted out peacefully and without any damage. Otherwise, as Imran Khan said, the damage will be very immense and the whole world will be affected, which we don't want, but let's hope for the best. And Pak Army Zindabad, they are doing a very great job. They are so professional, and we hope that things will be sorted out very soon and with less damage. And thank you so much for suggesting me this video, and that was my reaction to this video, and see you in the next one. Till then, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. fi amanillah.